This is Clark.
This is Ivan. And this is the TLS.
The TLS is the most cost-effective LED backlighting system on the market.
TLS stands for Tension LED System. Our LED boards are connected to an easily assembled tension cable array that anchors into U-channels.
The TLS doesn't require a substrate or a backing for assembly. It can be integrated into any existing light box, reducing the cost of traditional assemblies. Without a backing, we now have the option of a double-sided sign with only one system.
Our outdoor LED boards are rated IP55. Our product was developed to be problem-free everywhere from Canadian winters to the extreme heat of the southern states.
When working with slim profiles, we recommend our TLS Opto with spread optic lenses that diffuses our lighting at a wider angle.
One of the many advantages of the TLS is that it is collapsible and lightweight, saving you costs on shipping.
They transport so easily that the logistics for installing permanent or temporary displays has become truly simple and easy to manage. The TLS has been recognized and awarded worldwide for its design and simplicity. You can be confident that our proven track record will make your adoption an easy decision.
Compared to other LED systems, the TLS offers high quality at cost-effective prices.
Maintenance is a breeze compared to modules, sticks, or LED tape. Every aspect of the TLS has been refined to make any adjustment or repair as simple as possible.
We also offer a unique application for the sign industry, the Lumi app.
With the Lumi app, not only can you order TLS components, but also calculate the cost for each light box in your project and download a detailed BOM with step-by-step assembly instructions customized to your dimensions.
TLS Lumisign, designed for sign makers.
By sign makers.